Welcome back. So now I'm going to illustrate to you how to open a short position, meaning you're going to open a sell trade. In the previous section, I showed you how to open a long position on Euro USD. So now, to make it easier for you, if I'm long on Euro USD, under normal circumstance and because of correlated pairs, I'm going to go short on USD JPY. So I'm gonna open my USD JPY chart. Right now, I'm gonna go to a daily time frame. As you can see, on USD JPY, we have tested a strong area of supply, right, whereby we've seen already a huge rejection of higher prices today. We've seen some weakness coming into USD JPY. Again, I'll emphasize that if you haven't taken the beginner's guide to forex trading, or if you haven't signed up for the supply and demand course, this is where we elaborate further on what I'm just trying to explain here. And for the sake of this course, I'll just be showing you how to open the position. So once you've determined that the currency pair that you want to trade is going to the downside, remember, you can open a new position by clicking on new order. Once you click on new order, right now we are going to sell. We're going to be selling USD JPY. Now, it's still an instant market execution, meaning I need to go in instantly into the trade. Then volume, which is also referred to as lot size. Now I'm gonna change my volume. I'm gonna put 0.3, right? I'm gonna put a 0.3 lot size, and then stop loss and take profit. I'm not gonna change that at the moment. I'm gonna show you the easiest way you can calculate your stop loss and your take profit. So this is now a sell trade. I'm gonna click on sell. My order has been filled. I'm now in a sell trade with a lot size of 0.3. You can clearly see my entry line here. It's now determined here. This is the entry to the downside. And the good thing with MT5, it's gonna show a arrow pointing to the downward side, showing you that's your entry to the downside. And if I go back to my euro long position, you can see we've got an arrow pointing to the upside, determining or showing us that this is where we have taken the long position from. So now in the next class, I'm gonna show you how to set your take profit and your stop loss on these two orders that we have opened. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.